Hi, Julie. Welcome back to our kitchen. I am excited because today we have desserts and appetizers.
I cannot wait. You know, the Pickle Festival, the North Carolina Pickle Festival is an amazing event. But when you get to eat dill pickle donuts, oh my God.
What else can we ask for, right?
I know. This is going to be delicious.
It's going to be delicious. You are absolutely right. And this wonderful recipe is coming from Holly Springs, North Carolina, and it's from Eric Kane. So thank you so much, Eric. We are excited about these. Hopefully we'll do it the same way that you do it, and hopefully they will taste the same
so
way.
Good. It's probably going to melt in our mouth.
I'm sure we will. So we have the ingredients in here. We wash our hands, and we have 1 egg. We have 1/4 cup of milk. We have an olive dill pickle juice. We have some butter that we already melted. We have flour with us. We also have this wonderful olive dill relish, and we have honey. We have a little bit of baking powder, and I think this is the secret ingredient.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. Minced garlic.
Oh, who knew you put garlic in?
I was not expecting this. That's right. So I can't wait to try this. And then we'll have the olive dill pickle frosting, and we just need 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive dill pickle juice, and a little bit dill wheat for garnish.
So we're going to have pickles in the donut, pickles on the donut. Oh my gosh.
Like everywhere. Yes, I am so excited. We are ready to turn on our oven to 400. So I think we can start.
Okay, let's dig in.
So we're going to start with the egg. We can just start putting the ingredients in here. So we're going to go kind of like with our liquids first, and if you want to start kind of stirring that egg.
All right.
And this is a really, really very easy recipe.
Oh, well, good. I like easy recipes.
I like easy too. Easy, and also the ingredients that he used, like very simple. So nothing like really out of the world. So we can start with the milk.
And of course, all these amazing Malala pickle products that we're going to be using.
That's right. And I think that's what makes it so good. So now we're going to do the juice. And I think that's my favorite thing, like how creative they're, especially when you're baking, because I always say, you know, cooking is an art and baking is science. So I was scared. I said, is this going to work? But Eric did a really good job.
Thank you, Eric,
making
for this
it work.
amazing recipe.
We can add the butter. Uh-oh, it got stuck there. No, you're good. Okay. And then we have the relish and the honey.
Okay. Mix up this little butter here.
So I was really, really surprised about when I tried it the first time. I'm like, I don't know if it's going to work or not. But
well, you know, I've never had a dill pickle donut before, so I'm really looking forward to this.
So you're excited.
Yes.
And we have the honey. And I'm going to start cleaning this a little bit so you can have more space there. Okay, just kind of combine all the liquids, and then we'll start adding the solids.
Okay. You know, I cannot wait for the North Carolina Pickle Fest. It's just around the corner. It is on April 29th.
Are you ready?
Almost.
I
mean, just down to the last
so
nitty gritty.
to do.
But you know, last year we had a record crowd of 60,000 people, and it's huge. It's just an amazing event.
Well, I know it's going to be fantastic, and I can't wait. And I hope the weather is amazing, so we can
be
really
great.
Enjoy all the things that you have for us.
And we're going to have a pickle path. That if you go down that pickle path, you'll find all kinds of pickly food and pickly drinks, like the donuts, like the spring rolls, like the other things that we've made. It's going to be amazing, different food products. And Malala Pickle Company is going to have 2 booths where you can get free Malala pickles all day long, like pickle heaven.
That's right. I don't know what to say about this. You know, again, this is one of the festivals that everybody waits out the whole year
to go.
And I was like, even with the these contests, the people is like asking me when can I send my recipe, and I said just wait a little bit, but you know. So what we did, I just greased a little bit our donuts mold, and you know, I have to say this. normally you will fry donuts.
Yeah,
right?
I was wondering about that because I wouldn't always see donuts
So
deep
I
fried.
was so happy with Mr. Eric that he decided to do a healthy choice. So we're baking
them. So where do
that's
you get
good.
such a contraption to buy something like this?
This?
Yes, I've never seen one of those before.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, any place that they have
In
like
kitchen
bake.
stuff.
Yes.
Well, look, see, I'm learning not only a new recipe, but new ways to bake.
I
and
know,
cook.
and that is just so cute, right?
It is adorable.
Yeah,
It
well-
should be green, pickle green.
I know. I didn't think about that.
Okay, we all done with this?
Okay, yes, I'm like letting you just talk and. Okay, now we're gonna add. Let's start with the flour and we mix a little bit, and then we'll add the other ones.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, I think you're good. Yeah, you can do the whole thing. Okay. So a lot of activities at the Pickle Festival. It's like when I go, I don't even know where to go.
I know. And you know, we have some special events that happen at certain times. So like at 12 noon, we have a pickle eating contest. And you know, you have to apply for the opportunity to be selected. And this year we had 94 people apply.
No.
And we're only taking 24.
Oh.
So we're going to randomly select folks and notify them. And I mean, it's amazing that many people, and they're coming from other states too.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start adding while you're mixing. So here goes the garlic. And then, okay.
And we also have a pickle costume contest.
Oh,
so if you want
anybody can participate.
Anybody.
So
And-
I can start sewing my custom
Yes,
right now?
and you could
Oh
be
my
a T-shirt that you've designed with a special look, or it could be a special costume. And we have best male, best female, best couple, best group, and baby deal.
Oh,
it's gonna be
how
so exciting.
cute. Yes.
And the other cool event that we have is at 3 p.m., and that is a mascot race. And so different companies send their mascot, and they come and they race a half a block down the street. It's a good way to advertise your business, and it's just fun. And of course,
Right.
Ollie Cucumber, the Mile Island Pickle Company,
Is gonna be
mascot.
there?
Yeah, but he, his costume, he can only kind of walk like this. He can't run too fast.
Oh,
So his
yeah.
chances of winning are slim to none.
It's not, but he will be there.
He will be there showing support for his fellow mascots.
That's good.
All right.
Okay, I think that's ready, and now we're just gonna put it in our mold, our donut mold. I don't know what will be easier for you too.
Okay. Okay.
Look at you, just like a professional baker.
As I now make a mess after.
Yeah, after I say something. You were doing so good.
Thanks, Michelle.
Oh,
Man.
we'll clean it when you finish.
Okay. It's gonna be good.
And like I said, we already preheat our oven to 400. So that one is gonna miss a hole if you keep doing.
Boy, I got a tough cook over here now.
And we're gonna put it in the oven for around. The recommendation I think is 12 to 16 minutes. No, 13 to 16 minutes. So with me, I tried it and I think it was 16 minutes
Okay.
last time. So we'll see.
Well, I cannot wait.
This is something completely different. I have never had anything like this.
No,
So,
I've never had a pickle donut. Never.
Mm-hmm.
So, who knows? The donut shops might be wanting to take advantage of this.
That's
and
right.
Trying to figure out how they can make some.
Mm-hmm. And don't worry about they don't like really rise too much, so don't worry. I think it's really the measurement in here is exactly to fill the 6 places.
How's that looking?
It's looking perfect.
All right.
Okay, you want to use a little bit more or something we can. Yeah, let me make a mess with you.
Good. Then I can blame it on somebody else.
That's right. We're going to use everything so we don't waste. think we're good. Okay,
All
now
right.
I'll open the oven for you, and you can bring it in here. And like I said, 15 to 16 minutes.
I can't wait to
and it will
meet
be
you.
ready.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Let me put the time so we know. Okay, and now what we can do, we can start making our frosting. So
Okay.
we're gonna bring all these close to us. Let me put this in here. Okay, so this is really cool. The only
Okay.
two ingredients that we're gonna use is the juice and the confectionery sugar. And this, then we're gonna put it on top of the
okay.
donuts.
Wow.
So basically, you just mix the juice with the sugar.
What an interesting combination. Okay. So we're going to
Okay.
drizzle this on top at the end.
Yes. So we're just gonna
Top
wait.
it off with a little bit of dill. Okay.
And we'll be back in around 15 minutes.
Can't wait.
Julie, I can't wait.
Oh my gosh, they look amazing.
And they smell really good, so let's try it.
Okay.
We let them cool a little bit, so
Okay.
hopefully you will not get burned. so-
Okay, yeah. So we just need to pop these out of here.
Yes.
Ooh,
They look really, really nice.
they are very nice looking. Wow, look at this. I like this little gadget. I need to get me
I
one of these.
know, and they are not expensive.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, that's even better. That's what I bought these kind, because then when they start getting like not looking that good, I can get rid of them. Uh-oh.
Okay, we got it.
We talked too fast about this, right?
Look at that. Wow.
They look amazing. So now it's time to add the frosting.
Okay, we're just gonna drizzle some on top. And this was powdered sugar and dill pickle
That's
juice.
right. My goodness. That's really cool. And they still warm, so
Yeah, it's running right off the
yes.
edge.
so maybe next time you can kind of like
Let them cool down a little bit more.
yeah,
so.
but we can't wait.
We gotta dig in, girl.
That's
We got
right.
to dig in.
And then this is going to be so cool. And again, you know how I always love about the colors and how to put things together and the flavors. So we're adding dill on top of this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is our dill wheat. And then you can just kind of like
A little
go
pinch.
around. I think you should open your booth at the festival and just make them. Maybe 1,000. It would be. You
Yeah.
can do this, right?
Oh, absolutely. But I think I might have a few things to do during the festival.
I
I mean, you know, I am the
know.
co-chair, you know.
That's
so
right.
Lynn and I got a lot going on. Okay.
So, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's dig in. That's where we're going.
Mm.
You ready?
Mhm.
Okay. Whoop. Oh my gosh. You guys need to make these.
Really good.
They're so good. They're really good. Pickle galore.
I know.
Pickle heaven. I'm going to have another bite.
I know. These are amazing. So, thank you so much, Mr. Eric, again, for sending this wonderful recipe. I need to lick my fingers.
I don't think we're allowed to do that.
I know.
Yeah, a great idea, great dessert. You need to make these at home.
That's right. And we'll be sharing the recipe with you so you can make them at home.
Yes.
Thank you.